you have data and you've been asked to report on it, don't go and write a long-winded report. Nobody wants to read that. Use Microsoft Power BI instead to build your report. Here are the top 5 reasons why you need to present your data with Power BI. Number 1, pull data in from almost any source, from a simple CSV, an Excel file, cloud database, and even if you have access to an on-premise database such as Oracle, SAP, or SQL Server, you can bring your data in from there into Power BI. Here we are bringing it in from a spreadsheet, and you can see that it's there and we're able to start working with it. But one thing to remember, we don't ever touch the source data in Power BI. Number 2, you don't have to clean up your data before you bring it into Power BI. This Excel file isn't well formed. We're going to bring it in and transform it inside Power BI using Microsoft's tool Power Query. And in here we can perform many types of transformations. We can create columns. We can bring the data into a format that's going to be easily used in analysis. So with just a few simple clicks here, this can happen. If your data comes like this every single time you need it, every week, every month, you only have to do this once and it's going to update for you every time. Number 3, link those different data sources together and build a data model. It's like building a database, and sometimes it's even easier than that. The relationships come up automatically. Now you can start to do more in Power BI. Number 4, create calculations and keep them in your model. From basic arithmetic right through to complex calculations. If you feel comfortable writing formulas in Excel, then many of the calculations in Power BI are an extension of what you know there. They are called measures, create also calculated columns. Number 5, now we can add visuals from our data to a report. Choose various graphs to show the relationships and tell the story of your data. What's exciting here is that once we add that to the report, we can then start to do such exciting things as drilling down into the data, looking at it at different time periods, for example. We can also then go and add to the page other legends. We can add slices to the page, filters as well, so that we can be looking at the data in a variety of ways. The end user can do all of this themselves. They don't just look at your report, they interact with it. Check out our courses at Odyssey Training on Power BI from beginner, intermediate to advanced.